The ultimate guide to making money from affiliate marketing. This article will provide you with the information that you need to get started with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online because it can be done at home, without any major investment on your part. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which you earn money by promoting someone else's product. It is one of the fastest growing online business models, but it does require some work and a bit of patience. Affiliate links are used to track sales on their affiliate's website. It is a form of online marketing in which you promote other people's, or businesses, products and services, usually via an affiliate website. The affiliate company will pay you for each lead. The benefits of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing enables businesses to efficiently sell a product on a little budget, with little effort and time, and with a low risk level, all while ensuring a high return on investment, increased brand awareness, and business growth. Affiliate marketing allows businesses to determine a target market and select the ideal collection of representatives to represent their brand. Other benefits include high return on investment, flexibility, targeted traffic, low risk, low ongoing costs, and low cost of startup. Making money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the kind of online business model that makes money for you while you sleep. You can work hard for years trying to make your first million, or you can tap into the power of the internet. You can take the traditional route and sell other people's products, or you can create your own product to offer. I am not going to talk about it here, but if you want to learn about how to earn money with affiliate marketing, I suggest you look at my channel where I have a more detailed video on how to make money with affiliate marketing. It's not easy to make money with affiliate marketing. But it is possible, especially in the long term. There are thousands of examples of people who have managed to drive their income from zero to making a living online with affiliate marketing. You can create a long-term source of income that will be there for years to come if you have the right advice. With your own website, you can earn a substantial income by working part-time. You don't have to make a product or service, set up a sales force, or deal with shipping, and yet you'll make a living by getting a commission from the sales your affiliate links refer to the merchant. When a visitor clicks through your link and then makes a purchase, that commission is paid to you. There are several methods to make money with affiliate marketing, but one of the most important things is to focus on building a target audience. Affiliate networks. Affiliate networks are companies that connect brands and retailers to affiliates who promote their products on their own websites. They usually pay these affiliates a fixed percentage, or a fixed amount per sale, or both. Affiliate networks are a great way to monetize your blog. However, they're often complex and intimidating for beginners. Some examples of these networks include Amazon, Share a Sale, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo, to mention a few of them. How to create a blog for affiliate marketing. You can create a blog for affiliate marketing to market your products and services. The first step is to choose a blogging platform. You can select from WordPress, Weebly, Blogger, or even YouTube and other social media platforms. While blogging is easy to learn, that doesn't mean it's always easy to start. Where do you begin? How do you get readers? How do you make money? There are a lot of ways to earn money online, but affiliate marketing is probably the easiest way to make a consistent income. A blog is one of the best ways to promote an affiliate program. It's fairly easy to do, but it does require some time and effort. You have to read many books, articles, and blog posts on how to create a successful blog, as the world of affiliate marketing is vast. It's an industry that has grown exponentially over the last few years, with huge companies like Amazon, eBay, and Google taking part in it. If you know what to do and follow the right steps, you'll be able to create your own blog in less than 30 minutes. You can find a lot of information on the internet by searching for keywords "how to start a blog" for free. All you have to do is follow the steps and create your own blog in less than no time. The power of having a blog is immense. A blog will help you rank higher on search engines and boost your income tremendously. You'll find people visiting and following your site every day. Are you tired of earning a few cents per hour from AdSense or other programs? Do you want to earn a full-time income from blogging? Why not create your own niche website and start making money doing what you love doing? I can't tell you how many times I've seen people lose out on big money because they didn't know that creating a blog was super easy. How to find the right niche for your blog. When you want to start a blog, the first thing that comes to mind is picking some sort of topic that will appeal to enough people that they'll read it. However, you don't want random site visitors. If you think of your blog as a business, then you're ready to start thinking about how to find the right niche. It's a bit of a catch-22. If you blog about a subject that has a lot of content, people who are looking for information on that topic will likely go to one of the blogs with rich info on their interests. If you want to be a successful blogger, you have to blog about something that is going to keep people coming back for more. You can do this by picking a topic that has a strong and loyal following and is also subject to change. For example, if you're going to blog about the latest news in the world of fashion, this means that your blog will always have fresh content, rather than having the same old stuff over and over again. Affiliate networks that are worth joining. If you're new to affiliate marketing, it can be easy to get overwhelmed with all the different programs and networks available, as there are affiliate networks that are worth joining, and others that aren't. The web is filled with affiliate marketing material, but when it comes to the time of joining an affiliate network, there are several questions you need to answer. There are a number of questions you should ask before joining an affiliate network. The answers to these questions will help you find a program that is right for your needs and that provides the type of support for your efforts. Among the most important questions you need to answer are: how much traffic, sales, or conversions do you expect to generate? You also need to decide what types of products are offered by the affiliate network. The answer to these questions can be helpful in choosing an affiliate program, but if you want the most out of the experience, there are a few more things to consider. To get started, you'll need to sign up for an account with a merchant website. Then, you can begin promoting their products on your website. Then you'll need to set a merchant account with one of the major payout solutions like PayPal or Google Checkout, and a way to track sales and traffic. Your first steps to making money from affiliate marketing. Some people think that making money online is easy. They think that you just start a site and then wait for the money to roll in. This isn't true. Not only do you have to put in the work, but you have to be patient as well. It takes a lot of effort and time in order to find the right niche, create a website, drive traffic to it, build an email list and then convert. It's not uncommon for people to give up on their dreams of making money online. But it doesn't have to be so hard. It doesn't have to take so much effort and time either. If you're a total newbie, this can sound like a daunting task. But it's not impossible. The good news is, the amount of effort and time to make money online has been dramatically reduced, thanks to the availability of the search engines, which have made virtually all knowledge accessible from a device connected to the internet, and the resilience of the information-hungry individual. In conclusion, with affiliate marketing, you can build a business around your interests without having to worry about creating or delivering a product or service. You can make money from affiliate marketing by following the tips in this video. If you are looking to learn more about how to make money online, subscribe today.